Hello, this is question 16 from the Foundation Paper 2 in November 2023. We're told 160 people were asked to choose their favourite type of book. They each chose from romance, adventure, horror and thriller. 85 of these people were children, the rest were adults. We're told 19 of the 33 people who chose romance were children, 34 of the 76 people who chose adventure were adults, and 7 adults chose thriller. The number of children who chose thriller was the same as the number of adults who chose horror. We're asked to work out the total number of people who chose horror. And we're told we must show how we get our answer. Pause the video, attempt to answer the question, return to play the video to see the solution and where the marks are awarded. Welcome back. We're told that each person chooses their favourite type of book as romance, adventure, horror or thriller, and that the people are either children or adults. So we can make a two-way table. So we've got romance, adventure, horror and thriller. And we have either children or adults. We know there are 160 people altogether, so the total can go in that bottom corner. We know that 85 of these people are children, so we know the total of children is 85, which means we know that 160 take away 85 will give us how many adults there are. So we know there are 75 adults. We're told 19 of the 33 people who chose romance were children. So romance, we know that there are 33 altogether. And we know that 19 of these 33 were children. So we know that 33 take away 19 will tell us how many adults there are. And that will be 14. We're told that 34 of the 76 people who chose adventure were adults. So adventure is here. We know that there are 76 altogether. And 34 of these 76 were adults. Which means that the children that chose adventure will be 76 take away 34. So we know we've got 42 children choosing adventure. We know that 7 adults chose thriller, so 7 adults chose thriller, which means that these 4 here should total 75. So if I start with the 75 and I take off the 14, the 34 and the 7, that will tell me how many adults chose horror. So this is 20. We're also told the number of children who chose thriller was the same as the number of adults who chose horror. So adults choosing horror is 20, and that is the same as children who chose thriller. So 20 goes in here. We know the total here is 27. And we know the children who chose horror can be worked out by using the total children, take away the children who chose romance, adventure and thriller. So that's just 4. And then the total for horror is 24. And we're asked to work out the total number of people who chose horror. So that is the 24. This is a 4-mark question. If you only give the answer and you get 24, you will only be awarded 1 mark. So the marks are available. So this 24 is worth 1 mark. The other 3 marks are available for some of your working. The first mark is available for working out one of these numbers, 75, 14 or 42. 1 mark is available for finding out how many adults chose horror. And the 3rd mark is for either finding how many children chose horror or the process for finding out the total number choosing horror. I hope you found that helpful.